So the summary of the poem is the family, uh, one person, suppose the person A and the John is a person and his wife, his four sons, they went to the ship. They plan for the adventure. So they went for the ship where they are going way to the England, where they're going way to the England. So at the night, what happened? Rain is here. It's a very heavy rain, and the storm hit the boat. Storm hit the boat. The iceberg or the ice cube hit the boat. The hit the boat, and the sailor, the person who is driving the ship, and the other sailor, they whistle. They whistle so the people get alert and they are running. What they are doing? They are running out of the ship with the lifeguard. With the lifeguard, they are running. The John, what he told, please wait, my family is inside the cabin. Please wait. But they did not listen, and they ran away from the. They take the lifeguard and they run away. So the big ship is stuck there, and the family is inside the cabin. The four son, John's four son, and his wife. So what they did, say the the son is telling dad why it happened to us only. So the dad, what he told, let us pray God will help us. We have to face the problem. We are not running the problem. We have to face the problem because everyone has left. Now we don't have any choice. The choice only left is we have to strongly face the problem. So they face it. It's a very heavy and the dark rain is there. So they face the storm, and pull the rope. They somehow manage the ship, and they went inside the ship, and they search for the food. What they tell, let us, we have to search the food where the food is there or not for the survival. So they went inside and they see the food is enough for the survival. There's enough food is there in the ship because the ship is going to the England. So the ship person, they kept the food for the people. Although people has run away, so they see the food is there. So they thank God. Okay, food is there for us. No problem. We have to see the place where we can reach safely. So the boat reached the unknown island. Suddenly, in the morning, they see the boat reach in the island, the unknown island. They don't know where the island is there. The younger son asked the father, Father, where we are? So father tell, I don't know where we are. Don't worry, we will do our best. We will do. The family went to the island. They prepare the home and they learn how to survive because they have enough food. They are thinking where the people has gone, whether they die or no. The elder son was asking, Dad, people has died or what? Whether they are safe. The father said, I don't know the people were died or not. I just know that we are living alive. That we are living alive. That's a good thing. And we have to thank the God. See, the leader in this story, the father has being a leader. He's doing a leadership quality. The father's quality is showing the leadership because the family lose that hope. Because the family lose the hope, and but the father is telling no, we can't lose the hope. One thing we can do, we have to pray to the God, and we have to do our work. We have to face the storm, and whatever things we can do, we have to do it. Don't lose the hope. So what they learn, they move to the island, unknown island. They live there. They don't know the place. They don't know anything, but they survive, and they survive with each other. They live happily with each other. One more thing, moral of the story, they did not blame each other. They did not blame each other. They fight together. As a family, they fight together. They are not separated. They won't get separated. But they fight together for the survival. Okay, now